The fastest way to kill your goals isn't lack of money, lack of time, or lack of opportunity. It's surrounding yourself with negative people. That energy will drain you, discourage you, and keep you stuck. If you don't take control and cut it off, you'll never execute on the life you're supposed to live. My name is Trevor Calais. I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates $5 to $10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I host that I never see because I've automated and delegated every part of the process. Every car brings me about $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. And today I'm going to be breaking down why negative people and negative energy can destroy your progress, why you've got to protect your mindset at all costs, and how taking action puts you in control of your own destiny. Most people believe as long as I work hard, I'll reach my goals no matter who's around me. But that's not true. Here's reality. Negative people plant seeds of doubt in your head. They mock your ambition, saying that won't work or be realistic. They make you second guess yourself before you've even started. They drain your energy with gossip, drama, and excuses until you've got nothing left to pour into your goals. Your environment either fuels you or kills you. And if you're surrounded by negativity, you're playing the game with weights on your ankles. Here's the shift. Success requires energy, belief, and execution. Energy drives your action. Belief fuels your persistence. Execution turns goals into results. Negative people rob you of all three. Positive people multiply them. That's why you have to be intentional about who you let around you. Not everybody deserves access to your vision. Not everybody deserves a seat at your table. Your destiny is yours, but only if you could take control of it. So how can you protect yourself and move forward? You gotta identify the negativity. Pay attention to who doubts you every time you share a goal. Notice who laughs when you talk about building a business. Spot the ones who bring problems but never solutions. You have to limit their access. You don't have to cut everyone off cold, but you do need boundaries. Less time, less energy, and less input from those who drain you. You have to surround yourself with winners. Find mentors, communities, and peers who push you forward. Energy is super contagious. Get around people who already live the life that you want to live. You need to take action anyway. Nothing silences negativity like results. When you execute consistently, even doubters can't deny the progress. You have to double down on your belief. Feed your mind with positivity, books, podcasts, and training. Guard your focus like your life depends on it, because your future does. A lot of the reasons people fail is because they let negative people talk them out of action before they even try it. Or they waste their time proving themselves to people who don't even matter. They confuse support with permission and never move without validation. They stay in toxic environments and expect to grow anyway. That will keep you back, and that's why so many never execute. Not because they didn't have the ability, but because they let negativity choke out their beliefs. You need to think of it this way. You control your environment. You control your destiny. Your family might not get it. Your friends might doubt you. Your coworkers might laugh. That's fine. It's not their dream to understand. It's yours. And you've got to protect it at all costs, because if you let negativity win, you're gonna lose. But if you cut it out and act anyway, you win no matter what anyone else thinks. I'll be real with you. When I started, I heard it all. That won't work. Sounds too good to be true. You're wasting your time. You're possibly scamming. All this other stuff. And for a while, I actually believed it. I let that negativity slow me down. I doubted myself because everyone else doubted me. But when I finally blocked it out, trusted myself, and took action, everything changed. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and I will personally reach back to you, and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. Now I own multiple businesses, I mentor thousands, and I manage over 40 cars that I never touch because my systems run for me. None of that stuff would have happened if I had kept listening to negative voices. The only reason I broke free is because I chose to take control of my own destiny. I didn't care how other people reacted. I wanted to be in control of my own time, my own income, and my own destiny. So let me ask you, how many dreams have you killed because you let someone else's opinion stop you? Or how much longer are you going to let negative negative people dictate your destiny. Because the truth is, the negativity isn't going away. You just have to outgrow it. You just have to protect your energy, act anyway, and build the life they can't even imagine. You've only got one shot at this life. Don't waste it living by someone else's limitations. At all times, you need to block out negativity, protect your energy, and finally take control of your destiny. If you need any help, text me to Word YouTube at 239-329-0035, or you can drop a comment below and I will answer it. Make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. Peace.